How to lock folder on Windows 10. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how can you lock your folder on Windows 10 or 11. So first of all, I want to make sure you understand that a Windows login password provides a basic level of protection to safeguard your files from others who use your laptop. However, there's still risk. Let's explore on how can you encrypt or lock your files and folders in Windows to enhance their protection. In order to enable password protection, go to a folder and right-click on it, select Properties, and then go to Advanced, and check the Encrypt Contents to Secure Data, and click on OK, and click on Apply, and make sure that it's selected on Apply Changes to this folder only. Click on OK, and then finally close this window. Here you'll see a lock icon at the top right of your folder, indicating that your file has been protected with your Windows admin password. Similarly, you can encrypt individual files also. If you want to remove this protection from a file or a folder, right-click on it, go to its property again, then go to its settings and simply uncheck this box of encrypt contents to secure data, and click on OK and apply, and apply changes to this folder only, and click on OK and OK. It's done. This will remove the protection and the icon lock will disappear from the folder. Alternatively, you can consider using the third-party password protection software such as Folder Lock or MyLockbox. These applications not only encrypt your folders but also offer additional features like USB protection, secure backup, file sharing, history clearing, and the password management. This is how you can lock folder on Windows 10 or 11. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.